What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian Lovrecich from PixlFeed here. And in this video, we're going to talk about account structure and simplification for your Facebook ads. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive right in. All right. Account structure and simplification is one of the most important things that you need to follow in order to know what's going on inside your accounts at all times. And in order to be successful in this business, whether it's your brand or you're an agency, a media buyer, or whatever. All right, so I've been auditing a lot of accounts lately, and I've noticed a lot of the accounts, they just have campaigns all over the place. I mean, you can't read the campaigns because I have to hide the names for client confidentiality, but these are all campaigns that are all over the place. Yes, they're purchases, but it's just multiple audiences, and they're like single interest audiences. They're just all over the place, ABO, CBO. So when you look at the account, it's all over the place. And this is a good account that I took over about 3 months ago. It had only spent about, I think it was like 50, 80 grand or something like that. And right now I got it up to 278,000 with, what is it? Almost $3 million in sales. So when do you see this? In the past 3 months, while I retrained the ad account itself with new data, while I created new audiences, and what I brought back everything that I needed back to the basics and rebuilt this account from the ground up with what I taught you guys on previous videos, it has improved significantly. And I only have 5 campaigns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 campaigns. Let that sink in. So let's go over each and every one of them. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to break it down and show you how I have my campaigns set up so you guys can simplify your accounts, share that data, and get results. So campaign number 1 in this account right now, it's going to be my prospecting audiences. All right. So these are the 2 in the middle right here. And actually the CPA, it's kind of high today because I just scaled. I tripled the budget inside of them this morning. But basically what this is, campaign number 1 is what I call my single interest, my single broad interest campaigns with 1-day click. All right, 1-day click single interest campaigns because I want that direct ROI. I want that impulse buyer. So what I do is I break it down by single broad interest. I let them run, right? I let them run. And once they're going for a while, they're going for a few days, you're going to see the winners emerge, right? Once the winners emerge, I kill the losers, keep the winners, and I either duplicate the campaign if I want to keep small budgets, or depending on the account, sometimes I just double the budget. So if I start an ad set that's like $15 and I see that's working, I double the budget to 30. It depends how fast you want to scale. If you want to play it safe, you don't want to risk doubling the budget. I know some of you don't want to risk doubling the budget. Up the budget by 20% every hour. You can actually up the budget in your campaigns and your ad sets 20% by the hour, and it does not reset the learning phase on that particular ad set. So a lot of this single broad interest here, after I ran out of interest to test in this particular vertical, I just started duplicating the winning ones. And even though I'm getting a 2.91 per person frequency, my ideal is 3 because you want the brand to stick in their head, and this is a real brand, so it's a lot of branding that goes into it. As long as you keep getting conversions, that's all that matters. So as you guys can see, I just scale all of these today. But if I scroll down, you can see the winners here that have tons of purchases. The other top of the funnel campaign that I have is the same structure, but this is going to be my custom audiences. So I separate them. So these are my purchase lookalikes, 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%, on and on and on. I also have my 150 AOV purchases, my IG and FB audiences as well. I'm sorry, for placements. I'm only using Facebook newsfeed and Instagram newsfeed right now because it's working better than everything else with everything that's going on with the update for Apple iOS 14. 0.3 or whatever it is, 0.4. So what I do is I find my winning purchase audiences and then I duplicate them and then I start making new custom audiences. So the move from here is I just scaled these today. I'm going to keep the winners. The winners are going to stay. I'm going to kill the losers in a couple of days. and then I'm gonna move on to some of my other lookalike audiences. So that's my top of the funnel and my simplified account, when you simplify an account. Then I have my middle of the funnel, which is my engagement campaigns. And I keep it super simple. As of now, I'm just rating Facebook engagement 30 days, website visitors 30 days, Instagram engagement 30 days, video views 10 seconds, engagement 365 days, right? I'm not getting super segmented with it because the frequency is already high. So if I bring these audiences and make them smaller, that frequency is gonna skyrocket. So I don't have enough volume from my cold traffic to create smaller retargeting audience in the middle of the funnel. The only thing that I'm gonna add here today, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna add my Klaviyo engagement audiences and then hit that list, that warm list, with new ads because there's new collections being launched right now. So I'm gonna add this to this particular engagement campaign. All right, and then we have our DPA retargeting campaign, our master campaign. I have it broken down 30 days, 14 days, 7 days, 3 days, ATC. It's working really well for me. Look at the frequencies, 34. I'm still getting $13.58 a purchase. That's working really well for me. I'm probably gonna split this and then do a view content without the ATC, blocking the ATC, because I wanna segment those audiences a little bit more, hit different pockets in that audience. And then last but not least, I know this is one that most people leave out or they don't even think about. This is my prospecting past customers or purchasers. These are people who have bought previously from us. Just launched this today because I've been running for 3 months now, and I want to hit all those people who have bought everything that I have put in front of them because I know they're good audiences. So I just selected people who have purchased in the past 180 days, and then we go down here to cross-sell products. You create 180 days, all products, and then again, one day click. And you one day after click, and you let Facebook work its magic with a DPA campaign retargeting. Once this gets going, then I will duplicate it and bring it down to 120 days, then 90 days, then 60 days, 30 days, 7 days, 3 days, and 1 day. So you're letting Facebook's algorithm going after people who have purchased from you and putting good products in front of them. Look at that, it's 3.27 ROAS already. I literally just launched it this morning. So see how much better it is when you simplify an account and you can keep going with it. So let's say new products are released. All I have to do is go inside one of my top of the funnel campaigns, and all I have to do is just rename that, duplicate one of the winning ad sets, rename the collection or the product that I want to test out, and then add the new creatives to it. And this is how you simplify an account. Now, let's say you want to scale. There's a brand new collection coming out and you want to separate that collection from everything else that it's already been going on in here. Then sure, you can create 2 new prospecting campaigns with proven audiences specifically made for that collection with those specific ads. But my point here is simplify your accounts. Don't have 300 campaigns that are video views 30 seconds, video views 10 seconds, video views 3 seconds, or whatever it is. And then ATC 10 days, ATC 7 days, ATC 30 days, purchase 30 days, 60 days. Don't do that. Keep your objectives inside one campaign because once again, inside of each campaign, this data is being shared back and forth.
Guys, if you like that video, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to keep learning about Facebook ads, digital marketing, and digital media in general, make sure to check out one of the videos right above me. And I will see you guys in the next video.